Household tips to eliminate mold. Mold. There is nothing more unpleasant and unhealthy than the fungi that grow in the damp areas of our home, in the kitchen, tiles, carpet, and unexpected places where we suddenly find those ugly stains. Millions of people flock to health centers every year for asthma attacks and allergic reactions that require treatment. Not only that, unless you act quickly, mold can permanently damage surfaces, including floors, fabrics and wood. Therefore, it's very important to get into a routine of cleaning these damp areas using the most effective methods to get rid of this annoying, everyday enemy. Want to learn how? Well, show you. What is mold and why does it appear? Mold is a type of fungus. It belongs to neither the animal or vegetable kingdom. It grows in colonies of cells, provided that the right conditions exist. Adequate oxygen. High humidity. Warm temperatures. Obviously, we can't keep our thermostat turned down all year, that would be impossible. The only things we can do are to control moisture and periodically clean. Also remember that there are different types of mold and some of them are really toxic. Like people with respiratory problems can suffer serious reactions when they come into contact with molds. How can I prevent and eliminate mold? Often, the chemical products bought in stores fail to give us the results we expect, leading to more risks than benefits. There are many practical and economical solutions which remove mold effectively. Take a look. 1. Control the humidity. As we mentioned above, we can't keep our thermostats set low year-round to avoid the presence of unhealthy fungus, but what we can do is control moisture. Here's how. Mold loves poorly ventilated spaces with higher temperatures. That's why it's frequently found in spaces like basements, in the corners of the kitchen, in closets, storerooms, etc. And a simple solution is to regularly ventilate these areas. It's almost the same with our beds. It's not good to make the bed as soon as you get up, it's better to let the sheets air out a little to prevent mites. It's the same with mold. If you have a serious mold problem in your home, you can always use a small air purifier. This solution will cost money, but if you have someone in your home with breathing problems, it's recommended. 2. Tea tree oil. We've already mentioned on more than one occasion the amazing benefits of tea tree oil. It's the best natural disinfectant that exists and will provide you with the best results. You can buy it at any natural products store or specialist grocery. It's useful for so many different things and is really practical for removing mold. Here's how to use it. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of tea tree oil, 2 cups of water, a spray bottle, gloves. To prepare. Before you begin, remember to wear gloves to protect yourself. Mold can cause unexpected reactions and it's best not to touch it with your bare hands. Once ready, add the tea tree oil and water to the spray bottle and shake to mix well. Use the spray bottle to apply the mixture to the areas affected by mold. Let work for a half hour and watch as it disappears on its own. 3. White vinegar. A simple and effective trick. White vinegar kills 90 of the molds found in homes, making it one of the most economic solutions. It's great for those hard-to-get areas in the bathroom, cabinets, behind the toilet and doors, and the other places where the fungus usually appears. How do I use vinegar too? Here's how. Ingredients: 1/2 cup white vinegar, a spray bottle. How to prepare. The idea is to fill a small plastic spray bottle with white vinegar so that it's always ready for daily cleaning. Once you have it ready, spray the moldy areas. Repeat at least twice a week, paying close attention to humid and poorly ventilated spaces where this annoying and potentially dangerous microorganism likes to grow. Are you ready to start living mold-free today?